SINWEEK folding mattress topper. Comes with a bag. Then take it out and expand it and see what it looks like. It's a Trifold mattress. We're going to put it into the Casita. As you can see, it's already expanding. We have to wait a couple hours and see what it looks like. Most likely we're going to have to go around and cut the edges. But we'll keep you posted and show you if and when we're going to have to cut it. Alright, on the mattress, it was a foldable. And we're just showing you real quick. They come out, they have zippers. So we're just going to unzip all three, lay them out. We went ahead and took out the cushions from the Casita, laid it on top so we can go ahead and get the edging from the curve over here. And then we're just going to have to cut a little bit along the bottom and along the sides. We're going to do piece by piece just to make sure that we get it done correctly. So what we're doing right now is cutting the material here so we can pull it back, and then we're going to take the marker and trace where we need to cut. So this corner here, this is all flat here, and we got to do this corner here, just a little bit here, and then we're going to measure. We're going to go along with this one because as you can see it's just shorter, because I'd rather have it longer and have to come back and cut than have it too short, and then there's nothing you can do. So this is what we're doing. Okay, as you can see, we drew a line more or less where it's going to be. We're going to take it off and go ahead and start cutting it with a turkey cutter. Alright, here's with some hard work and sweat. But as you can see, we had to cut the edges. That what you see there is that's just the cover. We gotta sew it. This one doesn't have a cover, like you can see here, because we cut it. We put it back in. We'll sew it, and that's it. So we have our bed. How many inches? Huh? It's a queen mattress. But how many inches?
3 inches.
It's a 3-inch queen foam mattress. So I hope you like the idea. And yes, we put it on top of the regular mattress, well, the other cushions. We'll see how it lasts and how long and how comfy it is when we go on a trip for Memorial Weekend. Another little video. They do sell these as a option at Casita travel trailer dealer, but I figured I'd buy it on my own. Probably gonna get a little cheaper, and wasn't ready to finance one of these. Because right now I turned my fan on. As you can see, I have the max fan turned on because it's hot out here, and I'm just kind of curious on what's my battery level at. So this is supposed to read it, because these are not like the other RVs and travel trailers that have a panel where you can read the fresh tank, black tank, battery. So eventually I think I'm gonna go ahead and install one myself, but for now this is the way it's recommended to check your battery. So for those of you that don't have one and want to see what it's like, it has 3 lights: green, yellow, and red. Of course, it's like a traffic light. Green means you're full, yellow means you're halfway there, and red means you're not. On the back here you got battery state of charge. So it says 12.0 is 25, and it goes up to 50, 75, and 100. Also on the back of the paperwork here gives you a chart. Battery mode. check the charge on the battery when the car is not running. Well, this is what we're going to have because it's not running. So when it has the 12.54, you can see where the modes are. Some people might want to cut this out and save it just in case. Charging mode, we don't have to worry about that. But this is when you're hooked up to the your vehicle, tow vehicle, the battery's going to be charging. So this is more or less what it'll look like. It works in your car, RV, boats. You can helps to continuously monitor the condition of your vehicle's battery and alternator charging system through the outlet. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in so you can see. And I'm going to plug it in the outlet here above the TV. And here we go. So right now it's at 12.58 and it's on yellow. So you can see it says volts, the battery, 12.58. So if we turn it around, let me move the TV a little bit here. .58, meaning it is probably about 85%, 85%. So we're good. Battery's still charging. But this little gadget here is pretty good. If you're interested, I'll put it in the link. You let me know. And I'll keep you posted, updated. Any questions you have, just ask. Thank you for watching. Alright. I know this looks like video 1, but it's not. Remember yesterday, or whenever you watched the video, I said I was going to get one of these covers? Well, guess what? It came in, and it's called Boog RV. Got it on Amazon. If you're interested, if you like it, let me know and I'll put the link in the description so you can go ahead and get one yourself. Like I said, I hate doing one-handed videos because it's kind of limits me to what I can do, and I don't want to break the bag because my wife's gonna yell at me because she's gonna say we could have used that for something else. So I'm trying not to break the bag. Alright, you can see there's water in it. Okay, we got a little bit of roast in there. Let me get the towel before I put the new one in. Yeah, I know. Dumb move. Just walked around when I was right around the corner. But if you're new to my channel, you're gonna realize that I'm very picky with what I own. I like to keep my stuff clean and looking new, even though it isn't new. But let's see here. Here's the bag. Nice material, thick. It's got a tie downs here, so it's gonna go over. As you can see, kind of fits good. Well, it does fit good. Some people, what they do is they'll put it on here, right? They'll take these and hook it up here at the park, so their chains are not hanging on the floor like this. I'll hang them up like this, so the bag doesn't fly off either. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and I'm going to pull on strings, wrap it around the pole, one this way, one that way, and then I'm going to tie it. So like I said, I'm doing it one-handed. Let me go ahead and do it with two hands.